vision for the next 5 years?
I think that the main target is to get a new degree, because in the farming degree we have a lot of students. There is a lot of demand, and we need another degree in the same subject.
So do you have a lot of students in this degree? So do you need another new course to get lessons for everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Other target groups part of your ambitions?
We have enough students in the farming degree, but we need to attract more students at the agriculture degree. So it's one of our targets.
Perfect. And why?
Why? We have a big demand in the farming degree nowadays, but in agriculture degrees we still have enough place for some more students.
Development and the SDG part of your vision and ambitions?
Of course, because we have to be able to give to the students tools to be competitive with the new situation that they are going to have, because the global learning is going to bring new challenges, and they have to be able to resolve these problems.
Perfect. Okay. To speak about programs and didactics, and the first question is, what are the main issues you are working on?
We are working in the issues that the law say that we have to follow, but nowadays they are very old, and there are going to be changes in these programs, because, for example, in the agriculture and gardening degree, they are going to separate both degrees in two different, one of agriculture and one of gardening, to get students well prepared in these areas, that they are very different between them.
Okay, perfect. Sustainable development part of these issues?
Yes.
Which actions did you already take?
For example, we are doing experiments with the students.
Mm-hmm.
We are in collaboration with CSIC, that is the Spanish Research Council.
Yes.
We are going to try to do a small experiment with the student with different kinds of concentration of compost. Related to the germination of seeds. We also do, for example, seed bombs.
Seed bombs, yes, I know what it is.
Mm-hmm. We are doing also like a library of seeds to share between the students, and we are trying to get from them traditional seeds to keep these varieties. And I also, for example, in my case, every year I do with them a practice about mycorrhiza, because I want that they understand the importance to keep the relationship between the plants and the fungi, to avoid the problems that are coming because of the climatic change, global warming.
Is there any effect on your student number and target groups entering the school?
Well, I think that they are more motivated because they are experimenting new things, new techniques. They are interested in learning these kind of things. Because of that, I think that they are, when they finish, they talk to other students that they are learning interesting thing in this center. They recommend to other students to come here to study because they think that they are going to be well prepared to work.
Perfect. Would you recommend other schools?
I think that the programs are very old nowadays. Maybe we have to teach subjects that they are out of the program, but they are very important nowadays because of the situation of the agriculture and farming. And I think that this is very interesting.
Okay.